Okay guys, let me show you something here real fast. I wasn't very happy with the other seat, so I'm reupholstering it, and I put springs on the seat. Now these springs here, what I did when I first mounted these on here, these are 2-inch lever springs. What I did is, by compressing them like that, I took about 1 inch of height off them, because with those fully extended, you know, for me, I'm just sitting up too high. So with this, like that, and then once you put the batting on, the batting, we're going to double it up. It's doubled. See, that's double. And then we have the or that's not, that's actually closed cell foam. That's the batting right here. This is the batting. And then we'll put our vinyl over that. But yeah, see, it's not sitting up so high like that. You know, I took 1 inch off the height, because I mounted the springs with the full extend on the bike, and you know, for someone my height, I was just like sitting up too high. You know, and it does make a softer ride having the springs. Even though these springs are going to be compressed, it's still better than nothing. And if I put the springs this way, they'll hit the top of the fender, so they have to go like that. You know, it's not pretty, but it works, guys. This motorcycle here is starting to turn into more of a rat bike, but it works. Considering what it was when I first got it, it'd come a long way. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to get our vinyl for this. I'm going to pick some vinyl. I'll probably go with the black marine vinyl. It's easy to stretch, and it's real strong, and it's real affordable. I have to go to Joann Fabrics to get that. Now the screws here, or the bolts, those are 5/16 by 3 inches. And you see, I got the kind of nuts that I think those are called keeper nuts, if I'm not mistaken. I went to Lowe's to get these for the two fasteners and the nuts. I think I got 2 fasteners and 8 nuts. It came to like $4. You know, and you see, I filled the back end with foam and fiberglass resin. So, okay guys, next thing you know, I'll have that, you know what, maybe I'll do a video for you guys. I'll show you how I upholster the seat with my commercial staple gun.